Hello, Mr. Khalid. This is the video I will show you how water pressure going. This computer is the test machine called computer water pressure tester. This is for water pressure, not for, as you can say, it's for washing. Washing is washing machine. That's different thing, total different thing. Okay, how we doing today? We doing the speed 1.0 per center minute. Okay, this is the point. 1 minute is 10,000. My target is I gotta test 10,000 for you. Even usual you buy from us, I think it's just 3K. But this is for water pressure, not for the breathable. Okay, please don't mix up. Okay, and after we reach target, we will stop for 5 seconds. Okay, that's the pressure. Yeah, and how this video going? There's a cover. I'll take it off. As you can see, there is some water inside. Okay, this is water. Okay, when fabric go in here, right here, they will crap. I show you. This is fabric. I put the machine like this, very good, in very good state. Okay, just like this. Okay, I gotta test the center part. I just test 1 or 2 times already. Is very good water pressure. Okay, before we test, we notice I just not carefully for touch some water here, so I wake up. Okay, I make sure it's no water, because if test fail, there is water drops come from the face side. You will see there is some water, just like video I showed you yesterday. Okay, so I gotta put it out and make sure. All right, now because this part is very dangerous, so I have make sure my 2 hands same time push that this one is going down. So now I cannot take it out anymore, so I gotta go on with the water, little bit water inside, make sure it has enough water, and touch the PU material. Okay, with initiation, go. Okay, tester is going. You will go. You can see the fabric start to pump up by water. Okay, check out, show you. And how far we go. Now the pressure we already done the 3K now. Okay, it's not as your client say it's no water pressure issue. Okay, you can see the fabric right now is still dry. Okay, if the fail, that we mean have a 3 point on the surface, start water linking, like what drop, something like that. Okay, now we already reach 8,000. So it's not totally what you client is saying. Is okay. I gotta stop. I little bit worried you respond. A little bit worried, but you can see on the surface. Okay, sorry, it was many noisy. Okay, the test result is almost 10,000. It's not 3,000. Okay, so you can order it's totally fine. But before wash, that's the point. We do, of course, for the pressure. Of course, the pressure. Don't worry. And he confused the wash part with the water pressure part. He thought it's the same, but actually it's not, because we don't have before any like a wash request or something, so we always do the same. Water pressure nearly 8,000, 7,000 over. This time I test is 9,009 already. Okay. This is the test point I just done. Okay, this is the first time I done. It's same fabric. This is just I think 2 minutes ago. This one is the one I done now. As you can see it, I make it light. If you put water in the pure material very long time, just like this one, you can see the pop right here is a little bit color change, become a little bit white. So this part is pretend the water just like a sweat. The hose is running, so sweat a lot, and touches skin. The pure material will absorb lost sweat, this water from the whole skin into material, so it becomes white. This part absorb water we called the breathable. Breathable, how it's going is the water coming inside here. I touch now, it's wet, really wet. But you can see my hand, I touch really wet. Okay, you can test one by fabric. You put on some water, you just put on, don't just leave it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. After you left office, come back, use some paper and swap and check. It will become very white. That means it's water inside the pure material. Oh, okay. So the breathable part, it will very slowly release the water into the air. Even from this side. So breathable, it means it absorb water into here and release. So that's we call it breathable. Okay, breathable. And going to here either. Okay, so your client put lost fabric into the washing machine. That's not water pressure, we call is the breathable, but there's a problem. PU material is easy damage by the water. Yeah, we do have a word in Chinese, but I don't know how to translate in English. We call the thing is just one good. You cannot take care of both. That's almost like this mean. Okay, 20. This is a good part for the water pressure, but if material go in some water, the water pressure will go down. We're going down very slowly. After your client use the washing machine and water washing powder for 24 hours, I think after dry, if he had the test machine like us, he should just put it on and test again how much the water pressure. Not like wash. Washing is different thing. After you dry, you can test. I believe there is something still. I think maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 left. I'm not sure because I have take the sample he tests and I put in the machine and I will know how much left. But the test he say the he used the washing machine to test the water pressure. That's wrong. I'm sorry, that's totally different thing. Water pressure is from here, not by wash. Wash is going down little bit the water pressure, but if I test, there should be something. If water pressure is fail, you will see just like video I sent you yesterday. It will come out some drop, some water come from down because water is pushed right here, will be pushed right here, and you will see a lot of water comes out, just like explosion, spring something. Yeah, that's the explained. I hope you can understand and send this video to your client. Yeah, I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying. Yeah, thank you so much.